Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how long does the battery life last on a Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. How long does it actually last? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but according to Bose, the battery life on this speaker is able to last up to 12 hours of typical usage, okay? Now, key things to note also is that the charging time, it takes around 4 hours to fully charge the Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. But the charging time does vary depending on the wattage of your adapter. Like some adapters are only a 30-watt charger, so therefore this might take longer to charge, while as other adapters might be 100 watts where this will take quicker to charge. But to simply answer the question, it lasts about 12 hours in typical usage. Now that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know to answer how long does your battery life last on a Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually answer this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.